In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out Airbnb in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, finding the perfect accommodation on Airbnb can be straightforward and enjoyable. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Airbnb website. Once the home page has loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small menu icon. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying various options. You're going to choose Login or Sign Up. This will direct you to a new page where you can sign in to your Airbnb account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. The most straightforward way to proceed at this point is to click on the Continue with Google button. This step simplifies the login process, allowing you to choose your Google account and avoid remembering another password. Once logged in, you'll be taken back to the main Airbnb homepage where the fun part begins, searching for your ideal place to stay. On this homepage, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. Click on the word Where within this search bar and type in your desired destination. As you type, Airbnb will offer suggestions to help streamline your search. Once you've chosen the correct destination, let's go on to the next step. Now, you'll need to specify the dates of your travel. Click on Check In and a calendar will pop up. Here, you'll select the date you plan to arrive at your destination. Do the same for the checkout option to set your departure date. Setting these dates helps Airbnb to filter the available listings according to your schedule. After setting your check-in and checkout dates, move on to adding the number of guests. Click where it says Who and adjust the number of adults, children, or infants accompanying you. This will ensure the accommodation's search results cater to the size of your group. With all of your criteria in place, destination, dates, and number of guests, it's time to perform the search. Click on the Search button. Airbnb will now generate a list of available listings that match your criteria. Browse through the selection to find a place that speaks to you. Once you've found a listing that catches your interest, click on it to view more details about the property. Here you'll find photographs, reviews, amenities, and house rules. Take your time reading through this information to ensure it meets your expectations. When you're satisfied with your choice, it's time to make a reservation. Locate the Reserve button, click on it, and decide whether to pay for part of the reservation or the full amount up front, which will depend on the listing's policy. Completing this step confirms your reservation, and you're all set for your upcoming trip. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll have successfully used Airbnb to book a place for your next adventure. Happy travels!